What's going on, guys? We're gonna do a little sound check on the bike. I haven't started the bike up in like 1 month, so let's see if it starts. Gonna let the bike warm up a little bit, then I'll do some revs and you guys will truly hear how this bike sounds. Guys, if you guys like this sound check, you better smash that thumbs up, man. I want to see a lot of comments what video you guys want to see next, and a lot of thumbs up for more videos like these. The engine is fine, don't worry. I'm more worried than you guys are, so please don't worry.